All right, guys. So Christmas was on Sunday, which is when we typically meal prep. So since we couldn't do it yesterday, or we just didn't because we were traveling, went to see family. Today is the day to meal prep. It is really simple. I've had a lot of people ask me, how do you meal prep? It is not difficult at all. Find what you like to eat that's healthy. Split it into 5 portions, or 3 portions, or 4 portions, depending on how you like to keep things in your fridge, how long it would last, yada yada. That's up to you to figure out whether you're doing three days worth, 4 or 5 days worth, depending on what the food is and how to use storage. But anyway, since I'm only doing salads, mine has proven to last for a 5-day period and not go bad. If we buy fresh, split it right then, put it into 5 different containers, just like you see. I typically get a spring mix, and then I'll change it up when it comes to the other mix that we put in there with cabbage and all of this other stuff. But that's the base of all my salads. And then, of course, cucumbers. We add some cherry tomatoes. Then we'll dice up some little onions, those little thin onions. I think they're called shallots or whatever. But I put those small onions in there. A little dash of low-fat cheese across there. A sprinkle of pepper, because I like a little pepper on mine. And then I'll find some low-fat dressing as well to put on there, as you can see. Also, chicken. If you like protein, you want to add, you're trying to keep protein in your diet. Some people don't, and that's perfect. But if you want to keep protein in your diet, choose something that's lower, high protein, so chicken, turkey, things like that. But I chose chicken, baked it in the oven with a little bit of light seasoning, no salt. Dice it up, put it on the salad. Now that's done. Now it's time for juicing. So here's when I get the base of my juice is always spinach and kale, always. So let's see what else we put in there. All right, guys. So the base of the juice that we make is always organic spinach, and a lot of times we'll throw kale in there. And from there, we just kind of mix it up with, today it's gonna be grapes, some apples, and bananas and oranges.